So I already primed my eyes with the NYX HD concealer in the color Glow. Yeah. Okay, and first color is going to be this orange called Light Tangerine. It's from Coastal 6, and it's one of their hot pots. Okay. Yeah, I know that I love using orange and yellow as a transition color. Like, to me, it just makes, it kind of just brings the looks together and give it that warm feel. Like somewhere like a light brown does, you know, if you'd like to do natural looks. Yeah. Okay. So as I usually do, I'm just gonna pat and blend up, and I like to start in the middle and go around my eye shape. Okay, and I'm trying not to bring it up too far. So when I'm blending, I'm trying to keep my brush right on the shadow. I'm going into the Juvia's Masquerade palette and taking Zulu, which is this matte purple right here in the middle. It's more of a magenta color. Okay, and for the crease, I'm going to take the purple from the Zulu palette. Okay, and for my crease, I'm going to use a very detailed brush. And I'm just going to pack this in the crease. Okay, and I'm going to go in with another detailed brush, but this one is fluffier. The first brush was more stiff just to get in the crease. And this one is going to use to blend it. Okay, so I'm going to cut my crease with the Colourpop concealer in Fair 00. Okay, and I'm doing a half cut crease. Okay, and I'm taking that purple that I put in the crease and placing it on the outer corner. Okay, so for my lid, I'm going to take this mint green from the Saharan too. And I am going to take another green, which is darker than the first one. Yeah, this lime green right here from the Zulu palette, and it's going to go in the crease. Well, not the crease, but on the lid. Okay, so I'm starting with the mint green first. Okay, and next going into the lime green. Okay, and I'm also going to take some yellow eyeshadow. And this is just the yellow that's in this little palette, the one I'm always using. And I'm going to put it right in between the purple and this green. Okay, so I did a glitter liner in the crease, which is silver. And then I did my NYX Matte liquid liner in black. And I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights in the color Blossom.